You can't get any coffee, huh?
No, I mean, I'm eating a right Twix instead of a left Twix, but come on.
Let's see what the problem is.
It's out of order. It's not gonna work.
That should do it.
Technically, it's David.
We're doing karaoke later, and you're gonna sing.
Jamie, this is your house?
I know, it's not much, but it's...
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Stillman Valley or near Rockford Airport or near Rock City, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Rockford, DeKalb, Belvidere, Rochelle, Sycamore, Byron, Oregon, Genoa, South Beloit, Brockton, Mackesney Park, Loves Park. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123, Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned.